Hey everyone! In today's video I'm diving into an incredible speech by Mark Cuban, the billionaire entrepreneur and owner of the Dallas Mavericks. He shares gold on what it takes to succeed in business, investing, and life. If you've ever wondered how to think like a billionaire, you're in the right place. So stick around till the end. Segment 1. The mindset of hard work and preparation. Mark Cuban said,
because look, if you're competing with me, you better know what you're doing, otherwise I'm gonna kick your ass, and you're not gonna outwork me. And so
you better know what you're doing, otherwise I'm going to kick your butt. This means preparation and outworking your competition are key. Cuban believes that most businesses fail because people don't work hard enough or don't prepare properly. He can spot if someone will succeed by their passion, focus, and preparation. If someone asks basic questions they should already know the answers to, it's a red flag that shows they haven't put in the work. Segment 2. The importance of learning and paranoia. Mark Cuban also said,
if you're not always learning, to this minute, if I'm not continuously learning, if I'm not just absorbing as much as I can absorb, someone else is going to kick my ass, right? So you talk about paranoia.
If you're not continuously learning, someone else is going to kick your butt. Knowledge is your greatest weapon. He explained that a healthy level of paranoia is necessary. Your competitors are working hard to beat you, so you have to stay ahead by asking yourself, how would I beat my own business? This mindset helps you anticipate challenges before they happen. Segment 3. Why education matters. Mark Cuban strongly believes in education. He said,
if you're going to have and run a business, if you don't understand accounting, you're already behind the 8 ball.
If you don't understand accounting, you're already behind. Accounting and finance are the languages of business. Even if you hire professionals, you need to understand what's happening in your company. Cuban suggested taking a community college course in accounting. It's affordable and can save you thousands when starting out. Segment 4. Speed and growth in business. Cuban emphasized the importance of speed. He said,
but in terms of speed of growth, it's really, you got to get that first customer first. And then when you get that first, what did you learn? Reiterate, get that next customer. And then hopefully as you learn more and more through the process, then the next one comes by even faster.
You've got to get that first customer first. He shared how he personally called former Dallas Mavericks season ticket holders after buying the team. Why? To lead by example and understand his audience firsthand. That's the level of dedication it takes to grow a business. Segment 5. Entrepreneurs, born or built. Mark Cuban believes entrepreneurs are both born and built. He said,
entrepreneurs being born or built, and I think I knew I was wired to be excited about business. How or why, I don't know, but and there's certain guys that have the genetics to jump out of the gym, right? There's certain guys, that when they golf, they have the muscle memory. And
I knew I was wired to be excited about business. He shared stories about hustling as a kid, selling baseball cards and stamps to make money. His advice? Find what you're good at, focus on it, and go all in. Combine talent with discipline and success becomes inevitable. Mark Cuban's advice is a masterclass in business learning and hustle. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more billionaire wisdom, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let's keep learning and hustling together.